Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Finally, you can get this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now you can find out all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!